Hello, thanks for joining us for this video guide. In this video, we will look at the second part of our wall framing tutorial. This section will focus on editing the wall framing, however it will only cover the specific commands for the wall panel system. An accompanying video looks at more general framing tools that can be used across the whole of our panelization systems is also available. Our software has a wide variety of framing accessories, with their availability being customization dependent. These are accessed from the wall panel menu in the modeling tab and framing accessories. Bracing, for instance, is added by double-clicking the bracing type you want and then selecting the panel. You are then prompted to select your first point, which will always be the lower point, and then up to the high second point. BD will automatically put in the brace with the relevant connections also added. Wind bracing can also be added from here in this similar method. A truss lintel type can also be added. Again, double click and the parameters will show. Here you can define the maximum web spacing as well as the orientation of these. Click OK, then choose the panel, and now just click in the space where you would like to add the lintel to, and it is then added with connections. Finally, extra profiles including back studs and blocking can be added from the studs folder. As an example, I will use blocking, but the others are added in a similar way. First, double-click the thumbnail and select the panel. The system will automatically select the profile type, however this can easily be changed by utilizing the select button. You can then define placement, however with the profile going into a panel, it's best to keep it as middle. Opening just controls which side the web is on, and there is a toggle option to automatically add connections. Press OK and then simply draw a line for the piece to be added. Connections can then be added from beams and columns if applicable. This concludes our second part of our wall framing videos. Please see the video and panel drawings to complete the wall framing videos in this playlist. In our next video, we will look at adding floors, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.